you pull up, baby? How you pull up?
How you pull up? How you pull up? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhnel. As you can see from the title, we gonna be going to Miami. So stay tuned for this video because we gonna get lit. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn your post notifications on. But you know, it was about to get dry. Listen. Get into the beat though. Period. Alright, it's currently like probably 5:20. We're supposed to be at the airport by 7, but we gotta go somewhere else and drop my cousin's car off. So yeah, I'll catch y'all at the airport or in the car. Alright y'all, so we're at the airport. We're checking in. Why not laugh me a vlog? Well, they can't laugh bad.
It's coming. It's select all, check all together.
So when I have on full gear.
Ready.
Period. Yeah, we about to board the. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, Miami. Hey, Miami. Come. Everything about bag. Ali plane got a bag. You want to civilize now? Jesus, no wait until we reach.
That's not that big deal.
We can't carry no someone. We have people that look for me like I said. No,
I'm supposed to go there.
listen, more and breathe. George Floyd, so let me breathe. Then I went there to put all the way about cover. A ticket chief.
Rosa Parks never fight me, so don't have friends to make them back at the way.
Rosa Parks never fight for this. So many years. If you sit down a back she plane. Can you believe this? All the way a pit toilet. All the way a pit toilet then put me.
Then we not. Sorry, was a part that because we don't have a plane.
Hey, we can't deal with the Lena. From last time to knock and I must in a interacted. Put right at exit.
I go for the bed.
You have to sit down and laugh. I have to act civilized. That's crazy. I must group and ticket for through. Like, literally, we are last when I come up and plane.
That's crazy.
I wonder if a group and tickets for free.
A group and Chantal buy ticket them down.
Are you selling Are you selling? They said upon cheap out here. You got buy Expedia and get the wrong song. The answer is searching, I use Expedia. Mr. Girl, I never use Expedia before. But that cheap out here, I tell you.
We never use Expedia.
Me and mommy use. So when you go buy Expedia, I'm group and ticket with me. I'm asking Mr. Searching because I say, no, but you pick hotel too.
How them put we in a flight attendant quarters?
Every shit, and drop a go. You man, right for say put on your mask. Hey, we have to accept that. We must have white people there. I'm not here cook drop. Them a shit.
When you hear man, them a flight up in the place. Can you imagine? But tell us they stop playing now after part and let you
yeah, to go look for one little banana boat. This is one of yellow things. Come like I'm a hook up with the party then.
Please don't tell me see a fan group and they book a party ticket them too. Like they over pool boy section.
And it's a pal in there.
Oh, the country. Sorry, I can't switch seats.
How you pull up, baby? How you pull up?
Alright, y'all, so this is the room. This is the bed and whatever. Can't show in this room if it do it. You know, this is the bathroom.
Oh, safe.
How would you say?
Huh?
You know, the bathroom or whatever.
So I really one rock there, give me.
How one rock then give?
One toilet in there too.
She said we call one whole service.
And that's why we take them toilet.
And let me just say.
One of them got one rock. One man.
Hey. Don't tell them so we are motel.
Oh, Jhnel can't bag and I walk in the toilet.
Girl, me didn't even know. I don't know if you are going to beach or not.
I know we have got this fine.
Anything. Yeah.
But if you can't give me a 200 a night, we work 5 days a week.
Listen. We from New Jersey, so we about to leave tomorrow, so we have to get something.
I'll come to New Jersey and visit you.
We Jamaican, but we from New Jersey. Come on!
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Chantal! You had the plan, we have to go. Hey, you can drive with you? Me can drive, but me can't drive, but I'm going to find a way to drive.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I get a holla with wasabi. She think it's Willie and all. I think I'm a pop.
Come on. Come, Johnny Boat. Close, don't see him.
So,
we was doing this TikTok, right? The one where you snap your fingers when you're going out on a vacation. No, we don't snap back with finger.
We snap because you don't get that back I play.
I swear. I hope it's right, not bad. Alright, y'all. So we're at Extreme Action Park in Miami.
Show me extreme.
Well, I can't. Alright. Okay, I can't switch. Just I'm like camera. So we're at there and we're gonna do a deal. Anybody win the go-kart racing get $20.
$20.
You know me love money already and you love money.
$20. I want to
$10.
Chantal
Alright,
walk on like because she knows she can't drive and help us.
No, I tell her say the
No.
set up is different, so that's why it's more fun for you to say.
Alright, $20.
So 20 we have to do.
Oh, make sure someone have $20 now.
Make sure you have a $20.
You have your $20.
Just say something against them, $20.
You're not confident in yourself then, no?
If it's no,
Me not said nobody no $20. Me I get $20 today.
Well, I'm getting.
That's the confidence, but if you lose, you have to give me a $20.
I'm in a business, we still a say it. All if me get $20, me win.
Hold
No?
on, for the confidence.
All if me go no $20, me win. So,
We love this session.
and then we go to should I camera tripod?
I mean, you're gonna need it, yes. She probably, but where would she
But who would I do
leave
it?
I'll leave it your
Because me can't drive for win for $20 and have tripod. Me set up myself for failure.
wrong way.
What I mean, if you tripod can click towards the go-kart, so while they drive, they move with you. I know that the type they have. You know, them have the adjustable one.
I did something they want to use when they do me. Alright, y'all, so alright, y'all, so I won the game. I won the race. Oh, are you there, Baku? Can you come third?
We can't do it. Go and try. The hardest thing I for reach down there can't come back home. Just have to go that way there. Try. You're not gonna try?